Autonomous pensions in Europe disruption. We see how we have really this positive attitude regarding where are we going to invest our pensions. Because if we are really a government employee or we are an autonomous employee, there is a huge discrimination. We don't have pensions. Even though I've been working for about 37 years, I will never ever get the same pension as these government workers get. And I have to retire at 67 if really I wanted to, because that means that really my brain would slow down, and if my brain slows down, then it's really the end, isn't it? Well, so then they get retired at 60, me 67. But that's not the question. The question is how much they get paid, 3,500 euros or something max, which if it was my case, even though I have been paying the maximum or the average, then I would get something like 1,000 euros. And this is a huge discrimination. Now, how can we solve this for the future generations of these business autonomous pensions? It's very simple. Just allow us to have our own crypto plan, our own micro-strategy plan, our own investment fund, our own ways, so we can really show it is a positive attitude for us, so that we can save our own monies. Tax zero. And also, perhaps it could be a nice idea that the workers who generate utility, you see, because we are the ones that pay your tax, you see, you brick, then we are the ones that pay your tax. So perhaps you could really think of our workers having, like, let's say, 5%, 10% profit sharing, and that way zero tax for these pension plans. Doing that, then perhaps the economy within Europe would really maximize and grow tenfold, and we could really compete with the Asians that they really have no tax. So number one is very good. Thank you very much, UK, for having zero tax for autonomous workers, because we generate employment and utility, number one. And number two, we generate 90% employment more. If we really had a pension plan and a bonus that we could pay all the workers throughout Europe, then we could really compete with the Chinese, because that's why the industry in Europe is going to be dead, because we cannot compete with the 25% income tax, 34% social security, 21% VAT. You see, that's 80%. I mean, can you cut that out? Because we, the autonomous business persons, generate utility, and utility is 90% of employment, but it could be 100%. How? Really, let us alone. Leave us our pension plans. Let us have our own ways to motivate our workers so that they can get really 100% bonus or a 5 or a 10% profit sharing. And by doing this, really, you can also do another thing which is very beautiful today. Now it's Easter. It's very special for Catholics. You can really leave these 50,000 government buildings in Spain and just turn it into 49,999. And just the rest, just put them, just make homes, because instead of 35 hours they do use those brick, just perhaps we could have 168 hours any kids, 20 million kids having a home in Spain. And imagine how many within Europe. And we can simplify this with AI. Can we, this government, and then cut tax 100%? Because the reason why China is so successful within cars is because they have zero tax, and that we in Europe have like 81%. That's only just the VAT, social security, and the income tax. Now, if we add the profit tax, that's 100%. So it really is no use making cars in Europe, isn't it? But the business is always going to be the autonomous business people that we generate business. And if you let us alone and you don't discriminate us with these golden brick occupiers, then perhaps we can really make this thing great again. Thank you, bye.